What's the meaning of agar? Agar. 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 Agar is a type of gelatinous substance made from red algae, commonly used as a culture medium for growing microorganisms in laboratories. It is also used in the food industry to add texture and thicken various products such as desserts, drinks, and sauces. Agar has no flavor or odor and is a vegetarian alternative to animal-based gelatin. When added to a liquid, agar solidifies into a gel at room temperature and can withstand high temperatures without melting, making it ideal for use in cooking and baking.